So I don't intend to add a lot, as we have already various useful insights and discussion that were shared today among us. Just I'd like to express my sincere gratitude once again to Singapore, my good friend Jonathan, and Energy Efficiency Hub member countries, and Christina from the Secretariat, Nuki-san from ACE, and professors, experts from many companies, and of course ECCJ colleagues, and all participants today. We had a quite long day for discussions with many participants here and via online as well. But I hope you had some hints for the future constructive discussions for promoting energy efficiency buildings. Effort is necessary in each country, but what is made more important to accelerate our efforts is to to promote international cooperation, to correct our wisdom, and to achieve our ambitious goals. We learned a lot of policies, innovation, the need of setting codes and standards, and also gathering data and information. Actually, I learned a lot today as well. So the results of today's event will be shared in cooperating with Christina later in an appropriate time. And Japan hopes to continue this important workshop next year and beyond, with working together with all of you who have the common challenges to promote ZEB, energy efficiency buildings, and beyond. Thank you very much for everyone for contributing to this important workshop. Thank you very much.